Welcome back to Toys Cats. In today's episode, we're going to be cleaning the M&M Rock and Roll Cafe dispenser. First, I'd like to show you just how dirty this dispenser is. Yes, it did come like this. But it does look like somebody really enjoyed this dispenser, which is nice. My hope is the dispenser itself is not stained and I'll be able to get all of this dirt off. Now that we've seen just how dirty it is, let's get to cleaning. Here, I'm just using a variety of soaps in the hopes that this will come off in the first wash. It looks like what I assume is chocolate is coming off very easily. Let's continue to give this a thorough scrubbing to make sure all of the chocolate/dirt is gone. And while I'm scrubbing away, please don't forget to subscribe and like if you're enjoying this video, and if you have already, thank you so much as I truly appreciate your support. Now that we scrubbed every inch of it, let's give it a good rinse. Let's take a look at how shiny the dispenser came out in the before and after. Now that's a clean and shiny M&M dispenser. The before and after portion of this video is a little bit longer, just so you can get a close-up look at how dirty the dispenser was beforehand and how shiny it came out in the end, for those of you that are curious. Otherwise, there are timestamps in the video, so you can jump right ahead to the testing portion if you'd prefer to see that. That's really something to look at. That's much better. And here's where we can see I've learned to check for finger smudges in the future. For the final portion of this video, let's see how many M&Ms we can cram into this dispenser and how well it dispenses. Let's open our first pack. Now let's open the second pack and ignore the cut on my thumb. Here comes pack number 3. Quick leveling. Time for pack number 4, which is our last pack, but I think if you pushed it enough, you could get a 5th pack in there. The 4 packages I used totaled 192 grams, but if you were to use 5 packages, that would bring you to a total of 240 grams instead. Here's a second fill angle for you to enjoy. Now it's time for the most important part. Does it work? The second test angle. And the third test angle. Nice. It works perfectly. As always, thanks for watching, enjoy the rest of your day, and see you next time.